Did you know that almost 90% of global trade moves through sea routes? Every day, thousands of containers traveling across ocean carrying products like electronics, machineries, food items, automobiles, and raw materials. But have you ever wondered who actually transports these containers across countries? The answer is shipping line. Shipping lines are the backbone of the global export-import industry. Without them, international trade would almost come to the complete stop. In the today's video, we will understand what shipping lines are, their role in international trade, how they operate, and why exporter-importers depend heavily on them. Hello friends, I am Sachin Kradmal and you are watching India's most practical export-import and international logistics learning platform. In the today's video, we will understand very important role of shipping lines in export-import industry. So let's start with basic. What are shipping lines? Shipping lines is company that owns or operate cargo vessels and transport containers between countries through sea routes. In simple words, shipping lines are the transport services providers of international ocean trade. Just like airline transport passengers and cargo by air, shipping lines transport containers by sea. These containers carry goods from exporters country to importers country. Some of the world's largest shipping lines include Maersk, MSC, CMA CGM, Hapag-Lloyd and COSCO Shipping Line. These companies operate thousands of vessels and millions of containers across global routes. Role 1. Transport of cargo. The most important role of shipping line is transportation of goods between the countries. Exporters load their goods into containers at the port of origin. These containers are loaded onto the vessels operated by shipping lines. The vessel carries the cargo across ocean to the destination port, where the importers receive the goods. For example, a manufacturer in India exports machinery to Germany. The container is loaded at Nhava Sheva port and transported to Europe by the shipping line vessel. Without shipping lines, this international movement of cargo would not be possible. Role 2. Container management. Shipping lines also manage the container equipment used in global trade. They own and operate millions of containers including dry container, reefer container for temperature control cargo, open top containers, flat track containers. These containers are provided to exporters for loading cargo after the goods reaching the destination country. The containers are returned to the shipping line depot. This system ensures that containers continuously circulate around the world. Role 3. Issuing of bill of lading. One of the most critical responsibilities of shipping line is issuing the bill of lading, also known as BL. Bill of lading is legal document that act as a proof of shipment, receipt of goods, document of title. Once the cargo is loaded on the vessel, the shipping line issues the bill of lading to the exporter. This document is extremely important because importers cannot clear the cargo without it. In international trade finance, the bill of lading is also used for letter of credit transactions. Role 4. Global trade connectivity. Shipping lines connect different countries through maritime routes. They operate scheduled services between major ports such as Asia, Europe, North America, Middle East, Africa. For example, a container ship from India may travel through multiple ports before reaching its final destination. Shipping line design complex global shipping networks to ensure efficient cargo movement. This connectivity allows business to trade internationally with ease. Role 5. Freight rate management. Shipping line determine the ocean freight charges for transportation cargoes. Freight rate depends on several factors such as route distance, demand and supply containers, fuel prices, port congestions, and global trade volume. During periods of high demand, freight rates can increase significantly. For exporter and importer, managing these freight costs is crucial part of international logistics planning. Rule 6. Schedule and vessel operations. Shipping line operates vessel based on fixed schedules, similar airline timetables. These schedules inform exporters about vessel departure date, estimated time of arrival and transit time. This information helps to exporter plan production, packaging, documentation and cargo delivery to the port. Reliable schedules are essential for maintaining smooth global supply chains. Role 7, Risk Management and Cargo Safety. Shipping line also play important role in cargo safety and risk management. They ensure proper container handling, safe loading and unloading, secure vessel operations, compliance with international maritime regulations. International organizations like International Maritime Organizations, that is IMO, regulates maritime safety standards. These regulations help ensure that cargo travels safely across international waters. To summarize, shipping lines are one of the most important pillars of the export-import industry. They are responsible for transporting cargo globally, managing containers, issuing bill of lading, connecting international markets, managing freight rates, ensuring safe vessel operations. Without shipping line, global trade would slow down dramatically. The next time if you see a massive container vessel in the ocean, remember that it is carrying thousands of products that power the global economy. If you are interested in learning more about export-import, international logistics and supply chain management, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also comment below and tell me which topic should we cover in the next video. This is Sachin Karatmal signing off. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.